Welcome to our exploration of mezzanine floors, a versatile solution to the challenge of limited space. Have you ever found yourself needing more room without the hassle of a major renovation? A mezzanine floor might just be the answer. But what exactly is a mezzanine floor? In essence, it's an intermediate floor between main floors of a building. Retail stores use them to create additional display areas, while offices incorporate them for more meeting or workspace. In industrial settings, mezzanine floors transform operations by expanding storage capacity. Warehouses and factories utilize these levels to organize equipment and inventory efficiently, optimizing workflow without costly expansions. Residential applications are equally impressive. Picture adding a mezzanine in your living room or bedroom, creating a stylish loft or an extra sleeping area. It's a perfect blend of form and function, enhancing your home's architectural appeal while adding valuable space. So, whether you're looking to increase retail space, improve industrial storage, or simply want a chic addition to your home, mezzanine floors offer a practical and aesthetic solution. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of mezzanine floors. Remember, when space is at a premium, thinking vertically with a mezzanine might just open up new possibilities.